In various cultures, purple heather is a symbol of beauty, good luck, admiration and solitude, and it also means I admire you. In the signs of the zodiac, purple heather represents Scorpio. This plant represents the ancient Greek goddess Aphrodite, the goddess of love. Purple heather in Scotland is sometimes called ling heather, from the old Viking Norse word ling, which meant light in weight. The botanical name for purple heather is Calluna vulgaris. The word Calluna comes from the Greek word Calluna, which means to cleanse or adorn. The link here is that heather sprigs were once used as brooms to clean people's houses. In Robert Louis Stevenson's poem A Galloway Legend, he has this to say about heather. From the bonny bells of heather they brewed a drink long syne, was sweeter far than honey, was stronger far than wine. Thank you for watching this video about the meaning of purple heather. Why not become a subscriber so that you'll get to see more videos in the Meaning of Plants playlist?